3 दिन में
Start. Turning to internal resources for the plan, I do not propose here to offer any detailed comments on particular tax measures or on the particular criticism as those offered by honorable members, but I wish to make it clear that the problem before us is as much of internal resources as of external resources. The only difference between the two is in terms of the degree of freedom of action that we ourselves enjoy in regard to them, because it is possible for us to raise internal resources provides a large measure of public support is coming behind this. It would not be possible even so to raise external resources, and that is the basic distinction between the two types of resources that we need. Parachit. I have said on a number of occasions that in the present circumstances we shall have to try and reduce deficit financing over the plan period below the original estimate of rupees 1,200 crores. That implies much greater effort at economy in regard to expenditure, both developmental and non-developmental, and greater reliance on other sources of finance, which taxation, borrowing, and small saving. The additional taxation measures at the center constitute the greatest probe we have built so far in support of the 7th plan and our developmental effort in general. In the light of the experience, we shall strengthen this probe by administrative and other measures as are required to make it carry the burden of higher and higher levels of developmental outlay. I think, sir, that by taking a large step forward in many directions, we have also created a horizon of reasonably stable expectation with reference to which private industry can make its plans for the future. Parachit. Sir, it is said that the proof of the pudding is in the eating thereof, and only the future will show how for the new orientation that we have given to the tax system will serve the needs of a developing economy. But I submit that the new system deserves a fair trial as it makes an honest attempt to reconcile many divergent objectives that need to be reconciled in a fast developing economy. Parachit. I cannot, of course, by claim to have satisfied all tastes, my friends of the opposition parties, for example, feel no strongly about one point, that they had to make their views felt in the other house by a division